Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, September 1st, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, believe it or not, I think we got September off to a good start, but it started crazy. Just a, kind of one of those insane market days that finished pretty well. Um, you see here what happened with the Dow. The Dow opened down pretty hard this morning, but then it made a very distinct low here, which I call a bull spike, the first 15 minutes of the day, and then it just basically rallied all day long, very nice and steady, and closed there um, almost on its high. So it's actually a fairly decent pattern for us, but the problem for me this morning was we had 16 positions coming in, so we had quite a few um, positions on. And when stocks first opened up, I we were negative yesterday in our open trade equity, and when stocks opened up this morning, they opened up positive $13,000. And I thought, wow, hey, here we go. We're going to have a great day. You've heard me say that before. I never saw $13,000 disappear faster shortly after the open. It just plummeted. So that just went up in a puff of smoke. And by the time we got out, we were negative $2,000 on those 16 positions. And so I just was totally disgusted. And when that happens, it's like I have to stay here in front of the screens because I trade both manually and with automated trading. I have to watch everything. But I kind of detach myself with the markets. I have a habit of overeating when the markets go bad. I listen to music. I watch YouTube videos. Uh, Sometimes talk on the phone. Do my email. Do anything I can to kind of insulate myself from the horror of these markets. And they are horrible sometimes. And this morning it seemed horrible, right? When I saw that $13,000 just evaporate in an instant and go to $2,000 loss, I was totally disgusted. It wasn't until about the last hour of the day I realized, hey, we're having a good day. And we did have a good day. After the $2,000 loss, we got into 12 new positions, 10 were positive, only 2 were negative, and we're carrying almost $15,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. Looks really good. So we ended up having a good day in spite of the bad start. The Dow, by the way, finished up 216 points. That's a pretty good move. Let me show you 3 of those good stocks we had today. By the way, this is September 1st, and we're now trading the September portfolio. So it's a good omen to get off to a good start with a new portfolio. This is one of those new stocks. It is Evoke Pharma, EVOK. And we bought this about halfway through the day, and it just didn't look back. It really soared. Up here, it was up over $4,000 on the top here. Did pull back quite a bit there, but we still have $1,400 in Evoke, and so I'm pretty happy with that. And it may pop up here and test this again tomorrow. We might get that more of that money out of that, but that looks like a real good trade. Very strong in Evoke Pharma. And then this is another one. We've been trading this a lot. I even think I showed you this yesterday. This is GSX Tekadu. GSX Tekadu. That is GSX is the letters on that. And we had bought this thing yesterday, and it had closed marginally profitable yesterday. Pops up really nice this morning. Unfortunately, it pulled back quite a bit there for our exit, but even with that pullback, we took $4,200 out of this trade in GSX Tekadu, and then it kept going. We get re-entered again, and it kept going after the re-entry, and we racked up another 2,000 in open trade equity. So in the 2 trades and 2 days, GSX Tekadu, we're up over $6,000 there. So that's a real good one. And then finally, you can hear Polly cheering me on here. She really irritates some customers, but I don't even hear her. She's just like white noise. I couldn't possibly trade without her. So if you can't stand the bird, yeah, go watch another video. I'm not going to get rid of my bird. Okay, this is SHLL, which is Tortoise Acquisition Corporation. That is not a turtle soup company. They acquire electric trucks. Tortoise Acquisition Corporation. And we bought this thing yesterday, and it closed against us. We were down like $2,000 or so yesterday, but it popped up a little today, but we still lost $2,500 on that trade getting out of it this morning, and so we're flat, and it's just going along doing nothing all day long, and then with 90 minutes to go, this thing just explodes. We get into it, and it just screamed after we got into it, which is good. And we are holding, and that closes right on its high there, right below 49 bucks. And on the close, we are holding just shy of $10,000. But I checked in the aftermarket, it's already up to 51, 52 in the aftermarket. So our position is worth quite a bit more than 10,000 right now. Hopefully that'll hold for tomorrow for our exit, or maybe even we get re-entered tomorrow. We'll have to see. But a real good trade there in Tortoise Acquisition Corporation. So all around good day. Trader Bob's happy. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.